Happy greetings from Sri Venkateswara Group of Schools, Chennai. Today we bring to you our reimagined, revisited e-learning module through Camu for students and parents usage for the months of June, July and August until the lockdown is lifted and we have children in the classrooms. This My Camu will be a one-stop e-learning module for all teacher and student needs, and thus will make remote learning easier and more relatable and accessible. Step one is to Google Play Store and download My Camu, the student app as it is shown here. Kindly download My Camu application onto your mobile phone and open the application. Provide your registered mobile number with Camu as the username and 123456 as the password, and please log in to the application. Once you log in, you will be directed to the home page and you will have various options on the left hand side of your home page which you can view and act. The most important of it all during e-learning is, of course, for a student is timetable. So click the timetable tab to see today's timetable. So look at weekly schedule that shows how your timetable is scheduled per week. That will all be online, and there is an option to attend online classes made available by the teacher. You will be able to attend online classes. The next important, of course, is what the teacher is teaching that day. So you will obviously go to teaching content, and there are all the core subjects that are displayed to you. So in case you want to learn about EVS today, go click the down arrow button in the EVS. You will see the topics that are being taught in EVS, when it is planned, what are the sub-chapters, are homeworks assigned, and if the time for assignment is completed, how many have completed. But for student, the main thing will be on the right end, which is view. So I want to view what is the teacher teaching, the videos available, the instructions, the activities planned, all that will be displayed if you click view here. As you click view, you will be having the e-learning content of this lesson, and you will be also having your video connected to this website reference. There will be a link. If you click, it will lead to the video. And if at all you have any kind of activity sheets, the attachments will bear it all. I think we will all need to talk about homework. So there is a tab that says assignments. So move to assignment. The assignment that is pending, submitted and not submitted will be displayed here. And in order to submit your assignment and see the worksheet, kindly click on the view button. It will lead you to the download or the worksheets that is given to you by the teacher. Kindly click on the download to see the worksheet, complete your homework, and click on the red button to add your work that you have saved. Please do not forget to mark as completed. Only then the assignment will go to the teacher as completed so that she can review your homework or assignment. After assignment comes the attendance. You will be able to see when you were absent and when you were present. And then if you have any exam schedule like PT1 or first midterm, exam schedule, online exam schedules will be displayed here, and you can see the timetable of your examinations. If you want to talk about assessments, if there are any assessments framed for you, an assessment can be framed topic-wise, chapter-wise, and unit-wise before the exams, and online assessments can also be scheduled, for which you can come here to see if there are any online assessments programmed for you. Moving on to reports, you can download various examination-related documents, personal details, transport details on this particular tab of your My Camu. And then when you talk about core scholastics like music, art, you will get to come to a tab called electives that will lead you to art music classes. The most important tabs are going to be timetable, teaching content, assignment, and assessments. Those will be the 4 pillars of e-learning in the months of June, July, and August of 2020. I hope all of you are with us, and I request parents the fullest support. Kindly buy the textbooks for your children because e-learning will be assisted through textbooks. There is an undisturbed flow of learning along with textbooks and the e-learning modules prepared by the teachers. We have taken utmost efforts to reach all the content that we could, and our teachers have painfully created this for you, and I hope it will benefit each and every student. Thank you.